Hello everyone, CamS here. Today we are going to be looking at my newest purchase, which was a 12-foot aluminum boat. And right now it's only got one seat on it and another bench, and hopefully by the end of the day when I get done fixing it up, it will be a nice little DIY fishing boat. It's my first boat, so hopefully we can make it look good. I'll show you how it looks right now. So this is the boat before I add any modifications on it. As you can see, there's only one seat and nothing else added to it. Let's see how this goes. Step number 1 of building a seat is now complete. Okay, the depth finder and the trolling motor are now installed. Alright, so this is the finished product. I have the battery right here with the circuit breaker and the 100 foot of rope with the anchor down there. Got the wire that runs down underneath all the way back to the trolling motor. I have the depth finder right here with the battery. I put the seat in. I put fishing pole holders on each side of it. And then I put a hook on the front and back for the rope and a little bolt for the camera, which I will show you when I get to the back of the boat. There are some quick disconnects here so I can hook the battery right up to the charger. And this seat was already on it when I bought it. Got the trolling motor, another fishing rod holder. And then this is the camera holder I have. I took an old selfie stick that I have and don't use and put little mounts all over the boat. I have another one up here that I forgot to show you guys right there so I can get multiple angles when we're fishing. And I took an old ice fishing rod holder and mounted it on here so I can swivel it around. Got a loop for whatever, and then a hook to if I want to hook my fishing or hook it up to the dock. Got a dry storage, another fishing rod holder, and my net holder right here. Just snaps in and out real quick for quick release. Got another fishing rod holder and another fishing rod holder. Hello everyone, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed all the little modifications that I made to it. I'm sure I will make some more at some point. I was just trying to get it ready for this weekend because I'm taking it out to go fishing for the first time with it. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and check out some of my other videos. Thanks for watching.